Chat, what's good, man? How we doing? Whoa, camera's not on. How we doing, chat? What's good? What's good? What's good? Give me a sec. There we are. Yo. So, welcome back to the stream, man. Welcome back. How is everyone doing today? What's good? What's good? What's good? Popping, man. Chat, hopefully you guys are good. What's good, Malenko? Victory settings, Crypto Maniac. What's good, Michael? How's everyone doing, chat? How is everyone doing today? So, we're back, man. It's Tuesday. Should be a good day today, to be honest, chat. Should be a good day for trading. So, that being said, let's see what we can do here. And let me delete these markups. That was yesterday's markups. It was good I caught the damn top on the 5-minute rejection. Got B. Ah, tough, bro. Could have been the trade of the life. What sells? Yeah, it's kind of nice. I mean, yeah. Okay, cool, chat. So let me do this analysis real quick. So the weekly time frame is, let me turn this music down actually in 1 second before I do that. Okay, cool. So obviously on the weekly we're heavily bullish. You're continuing to push up here as well. The daily has grabbed a big bottom wick and you've now started to flip. So potentially you've got room up to 25.90 to fill that wick here. Now the 1 hour and 30 minute are also bullish here. You did close above the level as well. So essentially you might be good to come back up here now and test the top of the range. Now the 4 hour as well. I mean, to be honest, the previous 4 hours was very bearish, but it looks like it's most likely going to be a fake out. So that being said, what can we see in our ranges? Well, I'd probably say, let's go to the 30 actually. Anything above this area here at 25.84 was clean for buys. But since we've already closed above there and sort of already tapped into the level, I'd need to see somewhere now above 25.86 if I wanted to take buys. And then, to be honest, you've got room up till 25.88. Now, as we've said before, you do just have a wider range between 25.88 and 25.78, right? Essentially, you just have a big range in between the two. So now that you are coming towards the top, I would be a little bit cautious taking buys here. And you are quite overextended. You have pushed quite a bit. So that being said, right, these are the ranges I'm going to look at. If you do close back into this range, we can look to take sells to come back down. Otherwise, we'll look for the buys. But yeah, you do need to close above 25.86 if I am going to get those buys. And it's a very small range up to 25.88.7 there. But chat, yeah, very simple analysis today. I do think we are bullish, obviously, on the daily. It's just how high can we push? And do we want to make a new all-time high before FOMC? Maybe not, right? I think the play today, chat, might just be a range play. We might just have like a, a range day. I know we do have news later, but you do have FOMC tomorrow. And a lot of the time before FOMC, we do just range, which is not a problem, right? Yesterday, we caught sells from the top of the range and buys from the bottom. So you can play the range. It's just, yeah, interesting to see what we do here. You do also have news later, right? You have, is it core retail sales? I believe you have that at 1:30. What is FOMC? FOMC is a news event, financial news event that's going to move the market quite a lot, to be honest. Wow. Yeah. So, chat, that's essentially the analysis for today. Very simple analysis, but again, you've got your ranges here, and other than those ranges, there's not much else you can do. To be honest, I would love to see us close back below this level here at 25.84. I know we're most likely not going to, because look at the, the rest of the time frames are very bullish. However, this 1 hour did close actually respecting 25.84. So, that being said, you could see us start to push down. But yeah, we'll see, chat. We'll see. Other than that, though, if you did enjoy the analysis, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Right, that's a crazy thing to say, Nathan. What's good, KB? What's good, Kata? How you doing, man? Levi, what's good? Yeah, I'm interested to see what happens here. How was everyone's day yesterday, the chat? How's everyone doing in terms of this week so far? Anyone catch any dubs yesterday? What did we catch? What's good, Abdullah? How you doing, bro? Good, what's good, what's good? Analyze GJ, man. I'm good, bro. I don't trade GJ. Maybe you said, if you said please, I might have done, but yeah. I don't respond to commands, innit? But chat, listen, it should be a good day today either way. There's a lot of potential for a setup right now. You have a closure very, very soon. Yeah, you have a 1 hour closure in about 13 minutes here, so you should be able to sort of get something based off of that. We can essentially see what's going on here. I mean, you are technically closing above on the 1, so if you do close here, we can look to take some buys to fill up to the top of this range. And yeah, just have to wait and see right now, chat. Caught 25 pips yesterday, good stuff, Abdullah. No trades yesterday, but I got 11 pips sell on this 1 hour flip this morning. Huge, good shit. Almost caught a 1 hour onion, but current candle reflip back up. Yeah, I saw that. Michael, what's good? I love the fact that less than 45 minutes ago I told Rosie all the same things you just said in your analysis. Huge, bro. Huge. Yeah, that's you know, a good sign, I guess. It's important. Cool. Very, very nice chat. What's good, Nell? Good victory settings. I'm just having my good old protein meal with SG Live after the gym. Life's good. Yeah, bro. Life is good, man. What's good, Charlie? I'm interested to see what we do here, actually. I don't know if the 1 hour wants to close respecting, wants to close above, what it wants to do, but either way, you should get something. Cool. Cool, chat. Listen, it should close below. I think it might do, chat. If it does close below, I will look to take some sales, to be honest. I will look to take some sales because you've then respected twice the top of this range. Tapped into 25, 86, 87. Respected twice. Yeah, we'd look to take some sales based off that. That'd be pretty clean. Hit the L earlier because of that 1 hour candle with no bottom wick. Oh yeah, tough, bro. That's a hard candle. A tough candle. But listen, chat. If you did enjoy the analysis, or if you are enjoying the stream so far, make sure you drop a like and subscribe too if you're new. I think this next quarter coming is going to be the next quarter where we level up like to a different level, you know. Jan, what's good? Chat. Everyone say happy birthday to Jan. It's his birthday today, man. Everyone say happy birthday. Gotta play, wait, where is it?
Infobells!
Wait, what is that? Wait. Let's sing happy birthday to Jan, chat.
Happy birthday
to Jan.
Happy
Birthday.
Happy birthday to dear
Mr. Yannick. Happy birthday to... Huge. Huge. Alright, chat. Lovely stuff. Right, let's try and get some pips then for the man on his birthday. Let's see. Chat. Jeez, big dubs. Big dubs. Rajesh Moki was good. Adam was good. Levi. Look at that, chat. Lovely little birthday celebration to start the morning off nicely. We love it, man. We love it. But listen, now we do need to lock in because you got 9 minutes left to this closure. 9 minutes left. So, chat, if this 1 hour can close below, close bearish, I think sells look clean. I do really think sells look clean. You got to remember you got the 4 hour close soon as well, though. Keep that in mind. However, yeah, if we can continue to push down here, that'd be ideal. Sign of a positive win. Yeah, exactly. You do seem to be respecting those, so even if you close above, right, I do believe you can take some buys to fill up to the top of the range as well. Be like a super scalp. 18 pip stops. It is struggling to flip. Yeah, what's good, Crypto Maniac? Yeah, it is. You're right. I don't know why. I guess it's just showing that this 2584 level is a very strong level here. Which is good, I guess. The worst thing you can do, chat, is what it's about to do here, which is like close up towards the top of this range with no room to push down. That's the worst thing you can do. So we'll see, chat. But realistically, either way, we should be able to grab some potential positions here, chat. If there's 5 flips, you most likely break the low. And then, yeah. I need to journal yesterday's trades. I completely forgot to do that. Completely forgot to do that. Good, Max. How's it going, brother? What's up, SG? Not much, man. Not much. Just chilling. How about you, Mr. Max? All right, chat. So listen, if you close bullish like this, then that's fine. You can look to take some buys to fill this, firstly this wick and then the top of the range, and then potentially even tap into 2588, right? However, actually, yeah, that does look clean. However, if you do start to close bearish or even doji like this, I mean, if you close doji like this, I can't take sells, right? But if you do close bearish below the range, we can then take sells to come back down. So you just need it to make a decision either way here. Whichever decision it makes is fine, but it just needs to make one. You did flip here on the 1, which is good. Rather nice. Let's see how we close here, chat. You got 6 minutes though. 6 minutes. So the 5 minutes going to close in about 1 minute time. 1 minute's time. Just got back from the gym and locked in for London. Huge, bro. Huge. That's what we want to hear. All right, chat. Focus up here, though. You got 6 minutes. Let me wait. Let me open El Brokerajo. P-Power, it was struggling to flip. Tap my beat and now flipped with these. Yeah, of course. Always, bro. Can we get that push down now, please? Not now, bro. You gotta wait 5 minutes. This tune, man. Trumpet Man is going crazy. Trumpet Man is going crazy. Hiding his M's. Maybe. Maybe. But yeah, chat. Okay, cool. So, I mean, realistically, this looks clean here right now. As long as you don't drive without us. Which it might do, if I'm honest. It might do, but we'll see. We'll see here, chat. You got 4 minutes though. So as long as you can, if you close like this, this will be perfect. This will be exactly perfect. But I think it might drive without us. Either way, chat, you've got about 40 pips to the bottom of this range. Stops are around 26 pips. Which, chat, is pretty insane, to be honest, if you think about it. Gandhi was good, bro. Nice little profile picture change, I see. Finally waited for that move, man. Good stuff. Alright, chat. This looks clean though. 4 minutes here. All the time frames look alright. Only the daily that doesn't look the best, but I think you should get a retrace either way. Realistically, our target, chat, is going to be this. Target is going to be at the bottom of this range with the no bottom wick on the 1 hour too. A lot of the times, chat, you know this already, but gold wants to come back and grab this no bottom wick. Wait, is Omar in here? I feel like this is Omar's play that he made. Chat, 3 minutes. The 5 minute did flip here, so you might actually see it rip without us, which is not going to be ideal, but there you are. We'll see exactly how this plays out in just a second here. But if we can get a top wick tapping into, we don't even need that big of a top wick, just a top wick tapping into like 25.84. Yeah, and then we can continue for sells down, but you don't want this candle to push right now. Don't really want that, if I'm honest, especially if it's going to be no bottom wick. It's just not ideal. Need a closure like this. That'd be perfect. 2 minutes, chat. The no wick play, low key fire. Yeah, bro. Different gravy, man. I mean, you would have got an entry, what, like here, I guess. Classic last second range fill. I mean, bro, if we fill the range in the last second now, that'd be crazy. That'd be like a... I mean, yeah, it's possible, but hopefully not. I just want to see a candle close with a bottom wick, right? That's the most important thing. Otherwise, well... Let's put it 20 pips. Good stuff, Abdullah. Can we see a pullback here just before the close? Please? Maybe if we ask nicely, chat. We haven't done that yet. Just ask nicely. Please, can you pull back? I don't know, man. I feel like we're going to see gold be gold here. Classic gold being gold, eh? One minute, chat. Lock it in. This would be clean. Then you got a wick fill as well if you close like this. We can just stay here for 56 seconds. I don't think it's going to stay still there. You might even see it close above, chat. Imagine. Chat, it needs to close stronger but bearish than this, right? This is a doji candle at the minute. I'm not sure about this. Wait, I mean, it's not too bad actually. Need a top wick. Can't even ask for a top wick, chat. That is so weird, man. What is? That is so weird. I think that's the top wick though. I think it's made the top wick on this previous 1 minute candle, and now it's gonna like just continue down. I literally cannot do anything here. Close respecting on the 15 as well. I mean, listen, maybe if you come up now and grab a top wick and then reflip, we'll take it, right? But you need a bigger top wick now. I need to see like 25.85 maybe. That's just techie, bro. I don't really know what, like, in my opinion, there's no reason for it to do that there. That's a strange opening, but it is what it is, chat. You know, it's decided to do it. It's not a problem. This runs right now, it runs, but I need, if I'm going to get the break of the low, I need a bigger top wick now. It's going to break the low and go, isn't it? Is what it is at this point, chat. Well, what we'll do is we'll wait for the next 15, right? Hopefully in the next 15, by the time it closes, we can come up, grab a top wick, and then, you know, continue down. Otherwise, chat, we just have to wait. But listen, that you know, it was a clean setup, but it just didn't form correctly. SG, thank you for the free values. Got a dip. I've got my share of the London market. Yeah. Congrats, Abdullah, bro. See you in a bit, my friend. See you in a bit. 30-minute support? Nah, not really. Not really. What's good, Zulu? How's it going, man? Damn, SG, gold being gold during London. The 1 out of 30 looks alright, but 15 it closed respecting. Yeah, I mean, listen, it's definitely interesting. However, you have now closed back into the range, and you've respected it twice, so I do believe you are going to come down here. I just don't have an entry at the minute. I just don't have an entry right now, which is tough, but listen, there's a lot of potential. We just need to wait and see if something can form here. Just need to wait and see, chat. I want us to grab some liquidity right now. I want us to grab some liquidity from the upside just to, you know, indicate that we are going to continue downwards. Good morning, guys. Have a nice day. Just take what the market gives you. No need to force anything. The market is like life. You got to work for, you got to work and do your thing, and it will come to you. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly. Good stuff. See, yeah, chat. We do have the wick fill here now. Well, no, not yet, but come in. I think this was a clean position. Just didn't happen to form the way we wanted it, right? Which is okay, chat. That's part of the game. Sometimes you know where, like we were discussing this yesterday. Sometimes you know where price is going to go, and it just doesn't go there for you. One sec, chat. Yeah, sometimes you know exactly where price wants to go, but it just doesn't, you know, print that setup that you need, and then you can't take it, which is fine. Absolutely fine. But listen, we're going to be patient here. It's not as if there's no setup coming at all. You might actually end up getting a nice closure on the 30-minute next, and then you can take another closure below. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see exactly how it plays out. No FOMO though, nothing like that. Listen, we don't need this piece of the market right here. Not like necessary, right? We're at the lows now, chat. Imagine this 4-hour flips, bro. That'd be insane. That'd be insane. Just a really weird retracement, chat, though. I'm not gonna lie. But listen, we're going to keep hunting for positions, right? We're going to keep pushing. But listen, chat, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like. There's 75 of you in here right now. If we can get to 50 likes, that'd be massively appreciated. Otherwise, make sure you guys are in the Discord. Completely free, right? Make sure you join that Discord. It's very, very important. And yeah. Yeah, we're pushing right now. We are pushing here. I know some of you guys got FOMO. Remember, chat, there was no setup, right? You know when you get FOMO and there's like, you know, it's running. Understand that there was no setup, so it could have easily gone the opposite way. 5-minute no bottom wick. Oh, yeah, that is true. Yeah, good spot. I didn't even see that. Yeah, you might continue up or you might just continue down realistically, but not the nicest price action at all. But you do have a 15-minute close here in about 8 minutes time. So that being said, right, you got some volume. If you can come up now, grab a top wick and reclose bearish, we'll take the sales to come down. I do believe every time that you close into this range, you do fill the range downwards, right? Every single time. So realistically, you should fill down to 25.79, which gives you like 40 pips of room, but it's just whether or not it can print us an entry. Something else we could look at as well is if the 15 closes bearish like this, and the next 15 comes up, makes a top wick, like 25.84-ish, and then flips, we could take that to come back down. Otherwise, chat will wait for the 30 or even the 4-hour chat, but I do believe we've definitely got a lot of potential right now. So some positions are coming, chat. Just be patient, right? Just be patient. We had some positions yesterday. We had one break even, one win. Just so you know, right? The people in the trading team, right, in the coaching group, if you were in that for the past month, you'd be on a 26 win streak. You'd be on a 26 win streak, bro. Which is just fucking nuts, to be honest. Absolutely nuts. So make sure if you do want to join there, obviously you get the trades and you get the value of, like, you know, the free calls. So make sure you jump in there if you do want to do that. But 26 wins in a row is fucking insane. And yeah, bro, for like $40 a month, you basically get, I don't know, what's your return on investment? It's like 10x. Insane. What's good, FNAM? Good, what's good, what's good? Okay, chat, so you got a next 5-minute close now. In 1.5 minutes. I'm interested to see what you do here. 15-minute and the 1 hour and everything's coming up towards a flip. A lot of potential here. Alright, chat, cool. I do think, to be honest, these rejections are showing us something, right? I don't know if it's showing us that you're going to continue down, continue back up, but I think potentially you need some more stuff to happen before you can push down. Probably need a liquidity grab, and maybe a stronger closure bearish, and then you'll probably be good. So if we can get those things, then great. You know, a lot of potential for positions. 5 minutes closing in 40 seconds. You look like you are going to close bullish. If you do close no top wick, it could get interesting. Could get techie. Big rejection last minute there. Chat, this is very interesting to me. I feel like you are going to continue down, but there's nothing I can do right now with the 1 hour the way it is. The fact that we look like this at the minute is not ideal. However, I do think you probably do continue down. You've sort of made a 5 minute sort of, you know, you got a closure respecting the level. So let's see, chat, but patience is key here. Patience is truly key. Especially with the 15 closing respecting previously. If you can now close, you know, below on the next 15, that's going to be ideal. That's going to be perfect. So in 4 minutes here, we can start to focus up, start to lock it in, and see if we can grab some positions off this 15-minute close. But realistically, chat, you shouldn't break this high up here, right? If you do start to break this high, then obviously you're going to continue up. But if you can, you know, get in sells here right now, that high is pretty safe. If you do break that, you know you're in the wrong position. Still a decent amount of room to the bottom of the range. I would say your break-even point is probably going to have to be around this area here, 2580.8, roughly. But listen, 3 minutes. I'm going to look to take a position on this 15-minute close here, depending on what we do. Yeah, you're pushing here, chat. So that you do have like a, I guess, celery play on the 5 minute. Maybe not. A lot of opportunity here, chat. A lot of opportunity. Looking pretty good for a drive down. Yeah, it does look clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it does look clean. Let's see, chat. Let's see if we can get some potential here. Clean setup would be nice. Nice little closure, cementing that we're below this level as well. Potentially the 1 hour doesn't need a top wick, right? You know how, you know, gold moves. I mean, it does have a small one. Don't get me wrong. Got like a 3 or 4 pip top wick, right? Like 3 pips, yeah. What's the celery play? It's not actually my play, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really use it anymore, so don't take much notice of it. But yeah, SG, your code doesn't work on futures, alpha futures. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be fair. I'm pretty sure it's a completely different firm. Chat, 1 minute and 50 seconds here. Lock it in. Lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. That is a good point though, chat. I'm trying to think of some names for our plays, right? What do you guys think? What theme should we go for our plays? Something gym related? Something golf related? I don't know, man. I need some cool names. Gym, I guess. Yeah, true. Okay, chat, 1 minute here. I want to see a top wick on this 15-minute candle, and if you get that, we'll take the continuation downwards, right? It's a very clean play to fill the range. Yeah, we'll see. I kind of want like professional names, you know. You know how we've got like fucking break a block, fair value gap, all that type of shit. I don't want to then have like the dumbbell or some shit, you know. But we'll see. We'll see. Chat, listen. 16 seconds here. I do want to see a top wick on this 15-minute closure. Can I not speak today? Closure. Wow. Yeah, if we can see a top wick on the 15-minute close and then a flip, we'll look to take some sells to continue back down, right? I guess not. That gold price action today. I mean, technically, it's not too bad, actually. You haven't really gone anywhere yet. It looks like you're going to push down without a top wick there. Yeah, there you are. Watches, Rolex play, AP play. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, to be fair. The date just. SG Izzy Wizzy entry 1. Crazy. Chat, what is this price action? Actually a bit of a piss take, to be honest. Submariner player dips down to grab liquidity before resurfacing. Bro, I like the Submariner. That's a cool ass play. The GMT. GMT's hard as well. Hey, what's good, Jar? Good morning, bro. Chat, this price action is not the one. We're going to have to literally watch it. Watch it fill the range. I'm not going to lie. We're just going to have to watch it. Unless it can do something on this 30-minute, right? We're probably just going to have to watch it fill the range, which is fucking tough, but it is what it is. It is what it is. All we needed was a small top wick on this 1 hour. That was it, chat. Alas, 'twas not to be. Submariner's a cool name. GMT. What else could we go for? Gold out here just doing bits and bobs. Yeah, trust me. Yachtmaster. I like that. That's a good idea, Cryptomaniac. I'm not gonna lie. You did come up here and make a top wick for the 15, but look at the way that it's forming. I just don't like this at the minute. Realistically, you might be able to get something nice on the 1 hour if you close like this, or the 30-minute, right? You got 12 minutes to the next 30-minute closure. At this point, chat, the best thing we can do is wait for that. You don't want to be taking a position here just because you're drinking pre-workout already. Nah, bro. You don't want to be taking a position here just based off the fact that we're a bit indecisive and the price action's not forming correctly. And if you don't have an entry, you can't take the position. When the chart looks like an ECG, stay out. Bro. I like that. No, I'm not drinking pre-workout, bro. It's electrolytes. But chat, so much potential for us to get a position here. A lot of potential. So, drop a like if you haven't already. And we're going to stay locked in for this next 30-minute closure in about 10 minutes' time. Should bring us something decent. Either way, it should bring us something good, chat. Because look, even if this is just a 1 hour bottom wick, right? Even if you can flip bullish on the 1 hour and close above, well, guess what? That's now a good 4 hour close above the level. It's a 1 hour liquidity grab and a closure above. And that's a continuation upwards towards at least 25.88, chat. Otherwise, if you close below, you're sort of understanding that we are respecting the level even more. And that's when you start to get, okay, top wick, good. Flip, good. And then you come back down. Simple, chat. Very, very simple. But it's all about patience, right? That's how we survive so long in these markets, is because patience is our edge, you know? Chat, we've taken 131 trades this year, live in front of either the group or on stream, okay? 96 wins, 24 break-evens, 11 losses. It's insane, chat. And the reason why we do that is just, obviously, the discipline, right? We just wait for a perfect setup and take it. If it's not perfect, we're not taking anything else. Very, very simple. Yeah, chat, look at this rejection. This could be clean. This could be clean, chat. Five-minute no top wick. But chat, listen, this is why you don't take these setups when they're not perfect, right? This is why you don't take them. On the 15, we would have got wrecked. On the 30, on the initial, 1 hour closure, yeah, sure, we would have got some pips probably. But regardless, if we took the 15, you would have got wrecked. And now you'd be going, oh shit, the 1 hour flipped. I need to get out of this. I need to manage risk. Because this does look grim if you're trying to take sells right now, chat. Does not look good if you're trying to take sales right now. Unless you start to close back below, right? But even still, not ideal. It's a strong rejection. Oh, that is, to be fair, that's not bad. That's another reason why we have to wait for closures here, chat. There's so much indecision right now. Gold doesn't know whether it wants to push up, push down. It doesn't know what it wants to do. That 5 no top wick might be interesting, and you might see a push down here, chat. I can't lie. Especially if this 5 closes bearish. There you are, see? I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer every single time. That play is textbook. Okay, chat, cool. So, listen. 8 minutes here until we get our potential positions. So, focus up, stay locked in. And yeah. By the way, I appreciate everyone who's showing love on the Instagram at the minute. We're sort of popping off again on Instagram. We've gone back to the old SG type content, and we started to pop off again, which is it's good to see, to be honest. We're back to the old Instagram days, which is, yeah, it's kind of cool. Kind of cool. I'm loving making this new content, to be fair though. It's super fun. Super fun. Look at this rip down. Alright. Should be interesting here, chat. This should be very, very interesting. Once it picks its direction, chat, and the volume starts to pick up, you should be good. I've arrived for my daily bonds wobble. Cool. No, I'm not happy with that, to be honest. Daily bonds wobble. I presume you're working from home then. That's insane. Yeah, man. Chat, look at this though. You keep flipping here. Very interesting price action. I can't lie. The 5 reflipped. I'm very interested to see what we do here, but you have to wait for this next 30-minute closure as a minimum, chat. As a minimum. Chat, what was the news we have again today? We have retail sales at 1:30, right? Yeah. Retail sales at 1:30. So obviously we'll be streaming NY for that. So I'll be streaming in about 3.5 hours time for New York session as well, which is huge. And then obviously tomorrow is the big day, right? Chat, I'm gonna stream FOMC tomorrow. So I'll probably just do 3 streams if I'm honest. I'll stream New York, London, New York, and then I guess FOMC, right? But yeah, we'll see what happens with that. FOMC should be interesting. Saw SG yesterday. That's back. You didn't see me there. Well, the real hustler. Yeah, always, bro. Maybe do a 24-hour challenge live stream. Fuck that. I'd have to just leave the room, go sleep for a bit, and then come back. Chat, if you break the lows here, you might see a push down. Did the 5-minute just close no bottom wick? Oh my god, chat, what is this price action, bro? This price action is incredible. Hilarious stuff. But listen, chat, 4 minutes to the 30-minute close. The 30-minute close is most likely going to give us our positions here. So we'll wait and see what we do here. But But I do believe as a minimum you tap into 2580 here. Every single time you've come down into this level and closed here, you've tapped 2580 as a minimum. So we can look to take advantage of that. About to bet my whole bank account. Champions League footy is back. Wish me luck. Just full margin FOMC tomorrow, bro. You got a better chance of winning. You got a better chance of winning that. But let's see, chat. 3 minutes here. Focus up. Lock it in. A lot of potential, man. SG's right. Bro, it's 50-50 technically. I'm playing. Yeah, can we see a pullback here, though? Yo. They just spilt my whole coffee. That would have been bad, you know. White shirt. Sigma mug. That's a cool-ass mug. You can't even chat. Some man bet 400 quid on the Arsenal game and won £6,000. Bro, I know someone who had a bet on Leicester to win the league, like, whenever they won, like, a couple of years ago. He had, like, 2 quid on and won, like, 10k or something. There's marge on it. No shot. Oh, chat, you're world's best grandma. I actually am. I'm the world's best. Chat, you're pushing here. No bueno. No bueno. We need to see a little bit of a pullback before we close on this 30, right? Otherwise, chat, this price action is getting difficult. Price action is very, very tough. You did just have the trend play, kind of, on this candle here, which we're doing a clean entry. But at the same time, chat, like, fuck yeah. You're getting close here to the, well, there's the BE point tap, right? It's just difficult. Chat, gold is going to be very testing the past few days, right? How greedy. How selfish. That's an Emma Bridgewater mug, fancy shit. Hey, Jan knows his stuff, man. Jan knows his stuff. It is indeed. That previous 1 hour wick is crying out. Bro. If this 1 hour had a wick, we would have taken these sells. That's the toughest thing here. But anyway, chat, you do still have room, right? You still got about 30 pips of room to the bottom of this range. Or 20 pips, right? 25 pips. So realistically, if you do get a closure here on the 30, and then, you know, a top wick and a flip, we can look to take that as well. I don't see anything wrong with that at all, really. You should fill the range right now. I don't see any reason why you wouldn't fill the range. 4 hours closing in 30 minutes too. You might even flip on the 4, which would be interesting. What you don't want to do, though, is you don't want to see us close like somewhere here and then take sells here. It's obviously the bottom of the range. I do believe, to be honest, chat, until FOMC, we're probably just going to range. Yeah, FNAM, see you in a bit, bro. We're probably just going to range until FOMC, in my opinion. Even though we do have news today, I think the news might just push you up to the top of the range. But we'll see. We'll see, right? Either way, what my plan for today is just to play the range. So the plan would be try and, you know, wait for entries at the top and the bottom of the range and, you know, hold to the other end. Chat, we're going to close no bottom wick. Yes. Yes. Chat, if we can come and tap into 2578 and then reflip, I'll take buys. Alright, if you tap there and then reflip, we'll take buys, but I'm still looking back at that 2500 trade and it's absolutely miles away. That was a hell of a swing. It wasn't a swing, bro. It had like 8 pips stops. But yeah, that would have been an insane hold, to be honest. That was like here. It was just right there. 2500.1 or something. You could have held that bitch. It wouldn't have even hit break even here. You could have held it the whole way. That would have been insane, bro. Like 820 pips. Now I have it. That's crazy. Nearly read it as well. This is going to push up here. Such a difficult play. Tom's lost it. Yeah, he's lost the plot. He's fully lost the plot. Head's gone, mate, honestly. Yeah, chat. Okay, listen. How's your reel going? Chat locked in or not? Chat should be locked in, man. Yeah, definitely locked in, bro. I was just saying, yeah, the Instagram's popping, to be fair. My swings are only usually 30, 40 pip stop loss. Fair play. Just like a big risk to reward, man, then. I like it. But chat, look. Influences in the wild. Crazy. Chat, we got a lot of potential here on this 1 hour as well. So I want to see... I'd like to see a 30 tap and then a close... Sorry, yeah, 30 tap on the range, then close back bullish. Otherwise, chat, once you're in the middle of the range, you don't really want to take anything here. You want to wait until you've got either, you know, a liquidity grab from the outside or continuation up. Yeah, if I'm wrong, I need to know early. No, that's exactly right, chat. That's how it should be, bro. Exactly how it should be. Realistically, chat, I'd love to see something like this, but obviously with a... if you can leave a top wick, obviously... Like, if this candle had left the top wick and you had a bottom wick there, we would have been in on this in the signals group, but it just decided to rip straight up. However, I know that for a fact that Omar has been taking plays based off of this setup, and it played out, so congrats to that guy. Something that I'm going to look to sample size as well. That might be a second new play, chat. I'm going to be spoiling you guys with new plays. But these plays are actually so sick. High risk to reward as well. Chat, there is definitely something to be said about risk to reward, right? I know we trade negative RR, all that stuff, but the biggest increase in my trading that I've ever seen, like so far, the biggest like monetary increase has been me reducing the size of my stops. I don't know if you noticed, guys, but wait, let's go back here to the journal. Let's go look at the size of the stops that we've been taking recently. Like, look. You could, like, you don't really go above 60 pips anymore. You got 60, 15, 9 pips, 35, 40, 17 pips, 65 pips, 40 pips, 28 pips, 40 pips. So, like, we're basically averaging around, like, 30 to 40 pip stops right now, chat. And what that means is when you do close at 15 pips or 20 pips, instead of it being, like, a 0.1 to 1 risk to reward, you now got, like, 0.5 to, like, sometimes 1 to 1, chat. And that means that you can afford to take... I mean, we haven't really. We've touched wood so far. We've been, you know, we've been taking, well, 26 wins in a row, right? But what it does mean is that if when we do inevitably take a loss, it's not going to wipe out fucking those entire 26 trades, right? It's going to wipe out 2, 3 maybe, max. Which means that we can consistently, you know, with a high win rate like we have, and a decent RR, you can consistently stay profitable. And you're not going to see like big like spikes down in your growth chart. You're going to see consistent, like, you know, consistent growth up and down. And that's exactly what you want, realistically. You don't want to have the big emotion of like, to be honest, both ways are not very good. If you have a like high risk to reward and low win rate, you're mostly going to see like down, down, up, down, 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 up. And you don't want to see that either. That's not good for your mental either. And then if you've got like high win rate, really low risk to reward, you're going to see like steady growths up like this, and you get excited because your balance is growing. And then you get close to where you're nearly passing your funded account, and then you just have this, right? And then you have to grow again, and you don't want that, right? Whereas what we've built now is we've built a system and a strategy where we're allowing ourselves to take a loss, but we're doing something like this, right? Where we're going, steadily up, steadily up, steadily up, and then maybe, yeah, we take a loss like this, sure, fine. Maybe it wipes out 1 or 2 trades, but then we can continue building, right, from there. And now we're already, in a couple of trades, we're back to where we were. Maybe you take another loss, wipes out 1 or 2 trades, then guess what? Within the next 2 or 3, you're already back. And that's what we've built now. And there's nothing wrong with... I was once told that you should never not take a trade because the stops are too big. And I sort of believed it at the time, but that's actually the wrong way to think. I've been thinking about this a lot recently. It's the wrong way to think. You've seen me recently change towards saying, okay, it's 100 pip stops, I can't take this. And that's fine, bro. That's literally fine. And if it runs, it runs. But I don't need to risk that amount, especially if you're trading fixed lots. If you're trading fixed lots, chat, like, why would you risk 100 pip stops? Like, there's no point. Just wait for a setup that gives you 40 pip stops, 30 pip stops, 50, 60, even 60 is fine. But yeah, like, yeah, chat, someone clip that, please. Beyond's not here, so one of the other mods, or no, you don't even have to be a mod. Someone go back and clip that whole speech, please. So, bro, I've been driving and listening and have some ideas for your plays. Oh, thank you, Eugene. I appreciate it, bro. Gonna send another message. All right, Michael. Let me know. I'm liking the watch plays at the minute. I'm not gonna lie. Like the Submariner's a cool ass play. Eugene's back from the notebook. Yeah. This guy's. But what am I clipping? That whole speech that I just did. I like the bit about risk to reward, I guess. Yeah, that's a good point. Whilst I'm here, I need someone to consistently clip my stuff now that Spion's gone. I need a clipper. Exclamation mark, you just clueless. That speech made me want to chase a billion. Wow, I love you, man. Yeah, you too, brother. Let's go get a billy then. Why not? Because you're based around the gym, ideally I'd stick to something based around that, like muscle names, bicep play, triceps, or going with golf, 60 degree. Yeah, I hear that. That's definitely something we could do. At the minute, the options are golf, watches, gym. Yo, chat, someone else clip that, please. Max, can you go try clip that or something? Because Eugene's gonna clip the wrong shit. This guy says I'm lost. Wedge play is quite cool. What are the actual odds of ever reaching 1 billion in our lifetime? Don't worry about the odds, bro. How many billionaires in the world? 3,194. That's more than I expected, to be honest, chat. This also doesn't not including the ones that don't tell you they're billionaires or trillionaires or whatever. How many people in the world? 7.95 billion. 3,194 divided by 7.95 billion. Mad. It's 4.01 to the 10 to the minus 7. I don't know. What happened to Spion? Spion's just at work, bro. He just got a job. Compound after you have a few hundred millions, it's easy as fuck. Yeah, I hear that. I think a lot of people want to get to like 100 mil though. You'd probably just stop. That's why a lot of people don't make it. Or not make it. They've already made it, right? But you get the point. Hi, Ryan. What's good, bro? Chat, so listen, you've got a 15-minute closure here in about 4 minutes. I want to see what we do here. I do think we're going to continue down and tap into 25.78, right? The issue is, how can we take advantage of that? Realistically, I guess the 4-hour close is probably going to give us the best option here. 4-hour is going to look to close bullish, essentially. However, the 1 hour is obviously going to be bearish, so it's going to be a bit conflicting, but you do have some room. Hopefully, you can just pull back a little bit, stay where we are right now, and then continue down at the bottom of the range to the end. I took my sales from 25.84 and just closed it. It was current weak area high. Nice, bro. Congrats. Yeah, those were clean sales. I was looking for that too, but we didn't get the entry, unfortunately. But well done, Ray, and that's a clean position. Ephra, what's good, man? I would never need a billion, to be honest. When I have a couple I will never reach the billion. We'd always just give pieces of cake to the poor. Yeah, but imagine if you got to the bill, how much you could give. No, I agree, though. I don't think a billion is necessary. Glad I'm about to board a plane with all those red folders up in the upcoming days. Yeah, where you off to, Dan? Where you off to, my bro? Alright, I did it. Thank you, Eugene. Can you send it in the clips for stream channel? Clips from stream. Oh, Kareem did it as well. Go. Croatia first, little boat trip, afterwards towards Napoli and Sorrento. Oh, that's lovely, Dan. That's lovely, man. How long you been trading, bro? About 4 years now? 3.5 years, something like that. 1 hour close, nice and bearish. Why didn't you take it at the break of the 1 hour lows or flip? I wasn't here for the explanation. Younger, it came down bottom wick first. Firstly, we rejected quite heavily before the 1 hour close, right? So you were down here and then we rejected and closed respecting on the 15. Then this 1 hour came down first, bottom wick first, no top wick. So I couldn't take anything based off of that, really. Wow, you got good experience. You also started with prop firms, right? I did trade prop firms for a bit, but then I quickly fell out of love with them. I just traded a live account, to be honest. I just used like my income and my job and my other businesses to fund my live account rather than props. I just quickly saw how not unreliable, but I don't think it puts you in the best trading mindset. Don't get me wrong, they're good to use to fund your account, but you know, you gotta be careful. Okay, chat, 15 flipped here. Dan would have been so clean with the top wick. I know, bro. Yango, it would have been, yeah, really clean. I can't lie. But chat, you got a 15-minute close here, very shortly. Chat, what we could look for, I'm not gonna lie, is if you can close something like respecting this level here, respecting 25.78. Then, if this 15 chat can come down, grab a bottom wick and close bullish on the 15, we can look to take some buys and continue back up. Chat, what was that? It's got the biggest matrix attack ever. Did you guys get kicked out or what? Are you good? Bro, what is going on? Oh, that is so tough, man. Did you guys get kicked out of the stream or are you good? We should be back, but yeah, chat, sorry about that. I don't know what's happening. Oh, chat. Didn't pay his bills. I definitely did, bro. Chat, we should be back now, though. It should be fixed. Hey, what's good, Dan? Other Dan, how we doing, man? I'm very good. I'm very good. Chat, listen, we're back now. It should be fixed. I don't know why it's done that, but it does say it's perfectly fine right now. There you are. There's my MT5 reconnecting. But I got no clue what happened, but listen, we are back right now. So, that being said, chat, we've got a lot of potential here. A lot of potential. I do believe, chat, that 15-minute closure is quite nice. It closed no bottom wick pretty much. Yeah, you did pretty much close no bottom wick. So, This is great. I would have liked this 15 minutes come down and make a bottom wick first. But if you can close bullish on this 15 minute, even slightly bullish on the 30, we can take some bias to continue back up to the top of the range. That's what I'll look to take, chat. But listen, we got the 4-hour close here in about 13 minutes. Yeah, chat, we should have some good potential here. Good had a loss yesterday, but all good was my mistake. Yeah, you got this, bro. Just keep pushing forward. Realize why you made the mistake, and then that's it. They have black trucks outside his crib right now. I know, bro. I got some FBI agents in the back of the van with those, you know, the big microphones. They point through the window. They're like, shit, he's trying to make people profitable. You can't do that. Get him gone. No, but listen, chat. Thank you guys for pulling up, and thank you guys for bearing with me with this technical issues. Let's try to see if we can get to 70 likes on the stream today. 70 likes. It's ambitious, but I appreciate it very, very much. I had no mistakes in a long time, so losses are always good to get more locked in. Yeah, that is a good thing, bro. That's a good mindset to have. It's always good to, yeah, refocus your brain. Don't go for that run in the afternoon. They're snatching you. Oh, shit. Yeah, you're right. You're going to get me. Speaking of, I think I'm going to go for a run straight after stream. My knees are a bit fucked, but I'm just going to do a little recovery run. Actually, do I want to do that, or should I go for the gym? That tarmac or treadmill? Nah, never treadmill. I do like walking on the treadmill, but no running on the treadmill, I can't lie. Woke up feeling battered this morning. Age is horrible. Bro, you gotta get on some TRT. You gotta get on some TRT. That's gonna be my plan the moment I get to, like, I don't know what age, actually. Look at Jan there. Got kicked the fuck out of it. Oh yeah, you had sparring yesterday, didn't you? That's funny, man. You got beat up. Bro, to be fair, I feel like if I went, it'd be game over. I'd just get my ass kicked, so better play. Range fill, be interesting to see this 4-hour close now. Yeah, chat, that is a good point. Oh my days, chat. The 4-hour might close bearish. The only thing I'm concerned about now is a fake out. But that being said, if you are closing outside the range, it probably should show you something, right? Probably a good indication of what is to come. However, if you can, I would prefer right now if we could reflip bullish on this 15 before the closure. I don't know if that's going to happen, but let's see. If you could do that, then you could take the bias to fill the range back up, because I do just think we're going to range. However, let's see, chat. There's a lot of potential here. If you close below, obviously we can take sells to continue down. Stops aren't too bad. I think it's like 60 pips, not too bad. Weekly just flipped. Shit, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, that's a good point. The weekly did just flip. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We said, look, we said exactly that this range needed to be filled, right? We said exactly that it needed to tap 25.78. Just so happened that it didn't print that entry, right? And even if it did, right, we still would have got stop break even, or, you know, closed at like 10, 15 pips. So no FOMO here at all. Question is, can we use 30-minute stops? Maybe. You want to see a pullback here though, chat, if you're going to see anything. You've obviously got some room now till like 25.76 as a minimum, I'd say. You have to be careful about rejections on this area here. I don't want to get caught in any fake outs. Alternatively as well, chat, there's so many options right now. If there is a fake out, we can take that to take the buys and continue back up. That'd be such a clean play as well. I know the weekly flipped and everything looks bearish, but at the same time, the weekly flipped yesterday. And still continued back up afterwards, right? And this morning. So I don't know, we'll see. But listen, lock it in, chat. You got 8 minutes here to the 4-hour close. Should bring you a lot of potential, if I'm honest. You should have a lot of opportunities here. So we are going to grab some here. We'll be here. Do you want to see exactly what we're getting ourselves into? Oh. But yeah, listen, if it prints right, we'll take it, of course. If it prints right, we'll definitely take it. What should I train today, chat? I don't know. I might actually just go hit a fat chest day. Want to sound rangy London, huh? Yeah, I know, bro. It's a bit tough. It's a bit tough, but we'll see. Had shoulders and arms this morning. How was it, bro? Test at 1. You know I can't be there for 1. That's so tough. I have to stream. Okay, though, chat. So can we see a pullback here? Very good. I like it a lot. Yeah, shoulders and arms is great. But listen, if you can pull back here, chat, leave yourselves a wick. Should be chilling, if I'm honest. Should be chilling. I just want to see us leave a nice... Oh my god, chat. Look at the 4 hours. Closing very weak. Closing very weak. This is going to be clean, chat. I think either way, this could be clean. Can you look at... Trying to think of what... Oh, Cryptomania, you've just fallen for his trap, bro. Don't ask him what it is. That's what he wanted all along. That's what he wanted. Yeah. How long did it take you to get consistent with this style of trading, and what helped you get consistent? I tell you what, bro. I just got fed up of like breaking rules, and I just got fed up of it, man. Because I knew that I had the skill, because I'd get consistently profitable for a bit, and then I'd break my rules or over risk or etc, 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 and then I'd be back to square one, blown account, etc. So I just got fed up of it, and one day I just said, you know what, like, I looked in my head and I realized that the quickest way for me to start being like making money with trading is actually to take a step back and be slower. And that's when it sort of all clicked, that like if you actually just take your time, like it's like golf or something like that, bro. Like the more patience you have, the better you're going to be at it. If you try and rush it or try and go too fast towards, you know, making the money or etc, 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 that's when you're going to fail. So you just have to understand that it's actually quicker to be slower, if that makes sense. And then that's when it all clicked for me, and I just said, right, we're locked in from here. And that was it. Good morning, Mia. How's it going? Yo, chat. 4 minutes here. Lock it in. We've got a lot of potential right now. A lot of potential. So, yeah, if we can just get a nice top wick on this 1 hour close. Oh, 1 hour open, sorry. That should be rather clean. Only thing I'm concerned about is a fake out, right? So there's not going to be a wick entry for me, I don't think. Because I do believe that it's very possible that we just fake out and close back into the range. But you do have some room here till... You got like what? It's that's only 16 pips. Break even point is obviously going to be 25.76, 25.77 area. Hair in the tortoise. Exactly, yeah. That's a great analogy. What's good, Ben? How's it going? Yeah, that is a great analogy. I'm great. Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, we're good. We're locked in. Whoa, bro. 3 minutes, chat. 3 minutes. We survived 2 matrix attacks this stream as well. It's only right that we actually get a position here. Otherwise, chat, if you reject and the 15-minute close is bullish, that's probably even nicer, if I'm honest. Muted? Nah. 3 weeks till I go on holiday. Let's get these pips, man. Where are you off to, Mia? Where are you off to? What's good, 200 lot? I'm definitely not muted, though. Two minutes, chat. 2 minutes, 30 seconds to the close. An important 4-hour close, right? The 4 hours closing very, very weak, bullish. Almost like doji. Which means that once you do break Dubai, huge. I'm going to be in Dubai soon as well, in like October time. But nice, that should be fun. Yeah. What was I saying? So, that means if you break this low, you should continue down, right? You've essentially confirmed this support here. Oh, sorry, this resistance here. It was a support, now it's turned resistance. And yeah, now you've confirmed that. Essentially, you should be good to continue down. Unless you close above, right? I think he's trying to make a decision here. Yeah, there it is, see? That's not necessarily a bad thing. I wonder if you can close bullish here on the 15. Yeah, I do, Joshua. Nico B lives relatively close to me. Okay, chat. Interesting. You got 1 minute left. You are potentially closing bullish here on the 15. The worst thing you could do right now is close bearish, right? Above the range, because then you got nowhere to go. Like, you either want to close bearish below or bullish above. But if you close bearish above, not good. Not good. Okay, chat, focus up here. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Let's see, chat. Side-eye required. Yeah, trust me. Okay, chat, cool. I got a buy stop on this 15-minute flip right now. Make sure to account for spread. But yeah, I've got a buy stop right here on this 15-minute flip. So let me just put this up here. If the 15-minute does flip, I do believe you should continue up towards the top of the range. You did close respecting on all time frames. There's no wick entry for me just yet because the rest did close bearish. So I do want to confirm that we are going to push back up. Wait, I need to move my... actually... Yeah, just move it up a little bit for spread. That's fine. Stops are going to be down below here at 25.77 for about 25 pips. Sorry, 27 pips. But yeah, that's the position that I've got right now. It's actually a buy stop, so we're not in just yet. But yeah. Should be clean, chat. Let's see. Gold sticker should be troll USD. Chat, I think this is clean. I think this is clean if I'm honest. Slippage disgusting on my broker. Yeah, that's tough, bro. I mean, we're not activated yet, chat, but... Let's see here. Hopefully you can flip. Either way, chat, the 4 hour probably needs a top wick before you can continue up. The 5 minute did close no top wick there. I just noticed that. That might be a bit of a problem. We'll see, chat. The most important thing here is that the 30-minute close respecting the range, the 1 hour close respecting the range. And so I do believe, to be honest, you are just going to continue to range because we do have FOMC tomorrow. This is the you know, the main sort of premise behind this play is that I do believe we'll just continue to range. And if we don't, chat, and if we start to, I don't know, rip down, then yeah, fine, we'll delete the position. But like, there's a reason why we have a stop here and not a market execution. You know, we're not in just yet, which is perfectly fine. Exactly what we want to see. But I'm not going to lie, it's a clean 15-minute closure. An exact mirror of this play here. Previous 15 closed pretty much no bottom wick. This 15 closed bullish. Just an inter-range play, right? If we can flip here, chat, you should be clean to get activated. Continue up. And listen, also chat, if we do take an L here, stops are very, very small, right? So like, it is what it is. TP, by the way, is the top of this range here at 25.84, just so you don't, in case you didn't know. Did that signal send? Signal did indeed send. Alright, good. See how the 5 closes here, chat. I'm not too concerned if it closes below, right? If it can close no bottom wick, that'd be ideal. Same sort of play happened from 25.84 to here. Yeah, I mean, look, you've been doing it the whole time, right? You've been doing it the entire time. I know the 4 hour did close quite weak, but it did still close bullish, right? So that's an important thing to notice too. Either way, I do believe you'd probably need a top wick on the 4 before pushing down. Unless it's going to be gold, being gold, right? But yeah. Yeah, you're pushing it. You did break the lows as well. Very interesting. 5 closed, no bottom wick, chat. You know what that means? Hopefully we see a push up here. I mean, it doesn't matter actually, because we're not in a position, but it would be nice to get activated. I know that you don't use the MA indicators, but right now on the 1 hour chart, I have crossing of 2 MA, which does not allow me to take the trade. Ah, fair play, bro. Yeah, I don't know too much about that, so fair enough, bro. Yeah, if you get one more bearish close, we'll most likely delete, right? And that's okay too. But that's the reason why I had the stops, rather than actually, you know, entering the position off rip. Whoa. Does actually look like you're struggling to push down right now, chat. 5 minute note bottom wick might be holding us. Might need to retest that 75 area. Yeah, potentially. Yeah, that's possible too. But listen, chat, if we do start to come down and try and retest that, right? Obviously, I'm not going to keep the same position open. What I'll do is I'll just wait to see the next closures, because realistically at this point, yeah, look at that. That's clean. I feel like we're struggling to push down. I don't know why, but just, I don't know. It feels like that to me. Sitting liquidity there? Yeah, potentially. Either way, I think you start to retest the range here. This is, in my opinion, just a bottom wick on the 4. But like we said, right, you are heavily bearish. So there's nothing I can actually do in terms of like taking a wick entry to predict that. That's way, way, way too aggressive, right? We're not about that. So what we're going to do is just wait. Essentially, even if we have to wait for a next closure on the 15 bullish or on the 30 bullish or whatever it is, right? We'll do that for sure. Like, it's not a problem. We'll wait for that play. But yeah, until then, not much I can do here. FOMO? Nah, no FOMO. Zero FOMO. See that 5 minutes starting to flip. Maybe. Maybe not. Obviously stops are getting bigger the moment, like the more the candle comes down, right? Because we'll use current candle stops. I think, chat, with this 5 closing like it is, I'm gonna probably be deleting, depending on if we close bullish or bearish here. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna delete the buy stops here. Better to be safe than sorry, right? And if it does come back up, then fine. If it comes back up, perfect. What we'll do is we'll wait, and we'll have our, you know, once we do get a closure back above, we'll be straight in there. But until that happens, chat, there's not much we can do. You are starting to push up here as well. So what I'd like to see then is I'd like to see like a confirmation that we do actually close back above. Wag me. Insane. A crypto throwback. Yeah, chat, I do think you're going to start to push back up here, but I can't take any positions off that just yet. I need to see some confirmation. So I'll wait for the next 15-minute closure, and then probably the 15 after that. And if we don't get anything, chat, we don't get anything. Like, at the end of the day, if there's no setup, I'm not taking niche. Niche. But yeah. I think we should be good here, either way. Sometimes, chat, no trade is the best trade. Trading strategy back in the day was GOAT tier hope. Yeah, bro. Back in those early crypto days, the strategy was buy and really hope it goes in the direction that you want it to go. And to be fair, during the bull market, that worked a treat. That worked an absolute treat. Just buy any asset you can and just hope, and then it just go up anyway, because it was like peak 2021 bull market. Bro, VeChain was my best trade ever to this day, just by pure luck as well. I bought VeChain at like under a cent, and then it went to like 12 cents or something. Actually, bro, gold is doing the Submariner play, going down, grabbing liquidity before resurfacing. Yeah, trust me, it actually is. It actually is. So we'll see here, chat. We'll see here exactly what the move is. We held XRP for so long. Bro, FTM as well made a killer. Just hope. Classic hopium. But yeah, chat, this is looking like we're just going to continue down. I feel like we've retested the area that we need to retest now. So if you do want to reject, it's probably here. But I wanted to see us flip on that 15, chat. That would have been the cleanest play. I know for a fact if you flip on that 15, you would have filled the top of the range. Could have got yourself a nice little 2-to-1 play. BNB was insane though, it was 30 cents, went to 500. Yeah, I bought BNB at like $100. I never had Sol either. No 4-hour top wick is like, yeah, bro, it is. Still got some Solana NFTs though. I don't know if they're worth anything. I haven't checked. Probably not. Bro, did anyone buy, what was it, FTT? Was it FTT? Which one was the FTX coin? That was just insane. That was the biggest Ponzi scheme on the planet. But listen, chat, you got a 15-minute close here in 1 minute's time. I want to see what we do here. Made 200k on that USDT dump, but didn't get paid out. Wait, what? You did? Insane. Alright, chat, 15-minute close here. Tough. Gonna close no bottom wick as well. Still nothing I can do, chat. I'll wait for the next 30-minute close, chat, and then that'll be it most likely. I don't know what we're gonna do here. Can't take any sells, chat, because that 4-hour no top wick. You 100 M's? That's insane. Alright, chat, I think we're just going to continue to trend down here. I'm probably going to call it a day right now. Probably going to call it a day here. Yeah, chat. Let's play the pixel letters and we'll call it, man. I don't think we're going to get anything here until a lot later. Just based off the fact the 4 hours got no top wick. Gets a little bit tough here. But anyways, chat, if you are going to dip off, make sure you like the stream. Make sure you subscribe and make sure, most importantly, you join the Discord. Make sure you join the Discord. It's free. So much value in there. And yeah, what's not to love? Guys, help me out with this pixel letters and then we'll call it a day, yeah? Also, if you do want to grab a funded account, make sure you grab one with ACG or Funded Trading Plus. Use code SG for 20% off as well if you need that account. You're basically going to save yourselves like... You can save yourselves like 100 quid, maybe more. So yeah, if you do want to re-up on funded accounts, that's the link right there. Otherwise, that's it from me, man. That's it from me. Isn't the luge a sport? I swear it is. Someone help me out with this word. Absolutely zero. Bro, I got no clue what this is. No way that's a word, bro. M-A-N? No. Is that a Y? Can't be, right? What is this word? I feel like that has to be a Y. Could be an X. Anyone got any ideas? Maybe. That's of course what it is, bro. Yeah, good guess. Good shit, Gandhi. That makes a lot of sense, bro. Bro, one day, chat. One day it'll be beans. I'm sure. It definitely is never going to be beans. Man. What are we thinking? A? Okay, cool. A good filler guess right there. Back. Any ideas, chat? Ha. Fair enough, chat. We take it. Yeah, good guess, Nell. Bacon's a mad guess for that. Right, cool. BU. T? E? Nah. Bunda? That's not a bad guess, bro. Not a bad guess. It's got to be like a T, hasn't it? Or like a fire. It's a really good guess now. Yeah, good shit. W, man. Alright, what a clutch. Well, listen, chat. We're just ripping down here. Absolutely ripping down. Nell on flames. Yeah, trust me. You clutched up 2 there. Well, chat, that's going to be it from me for London. I'll be back for New York session very, very shortly, in like 2.5 hours. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, chat, make sure you are trading responsibly. Make sure if you're taking anything here, just be careful. You got no 4-hour top wick. Bit dangerous here, to be honest. Gold is being gold, as it always is. So listen, have a great rest of the day. I'll see you in New York if you're pulling up. Otherwise, peace out. Much love. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.